417. I am now at the pump track, but in a minute we're going to be hitting some trails. Right, so I've had a bit of a problem on the trails. I was riding and suddenly my chains came loose and the screws popped off and my disc brake got clamped inside the brakes and basically bent it. So we've gone into the shop. The mechanic has fixed it and put a new brake on. It looks really nice. And inside the brake there's something bent that it will still ride perfectly fine. It's just bending.
That's pretty screwed, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty screwed. Bent around.
Yeah, you ain't gonna be using that again.
Unless we clamp it together. X.